Hi, if you receive this bottle, um, you will also sometimes I will send this trigger spray head together with my package. Um, this rod can actually take out and replace into here. Yeah. So if this straw here, if it is too long, you can actually trim it and then you reinstall this into the spray head, and please remember to wash all this, rinse it off with water, and then you are ready to go. But if you do not want to use this spray head yet, you can continue using this. Yeah, you shall push it in. Yeah, and screw it back. Okay. This is how you change your spray head if you receive this spray head. This is very convenient and it just trigger like this.